So, what is this whole E1U Life thing? Well, E1U Life is a software as a service, it's a webmaster toolbox, and an opportunity and affiliate marketing program all wrapped in one. E1U Life provides specialized website designs, specialized social media, custom marketing pack designs. We have customized marketing campaigns for you to use, and these things can be used for whatever business that you have or business that you're trying to start. E1U Life also has the trainings to properly run an online business. It also has mind training, even physical body training. E1U Life has the things you need in life to succeed. It's the things to one up your life. And like I said, we also have an awesome affiliate marketing program slash business opportunity where you earn instant paid commissions anywhere from $25 all the way to $2,000 per transaction, no matter how many multiple times per day you make a sale. So that makes it very awesome and interesting. And it's also awesome in this way. We have 6 different product package levels that, like I said, earn you anywhere from $25 instant pay all the way to $2,000 instant pay. And regardless of what particular marketing pack you get, you will always earn on all the other levels as well. There's a way on the inside that you'll find out as soon as you come in and join that, let's say, if you can't join the 2K level with all of its webmaster services and trainings that's provided, as well as all of the other levels underneath that come with it, of course, whatever level you're at, you always get everything that's underneath it. But let's say you can't come out at that level and you come in at a lower level, but then you go and refer someone and they come in at a higher level. Well, there is a way where you will still make at least half that commission, even though you may not be at that level. And that's also instant pay. And for anyone who you refer, all of the people that you refer, they're going to be passing up their second sales to you. And if they're not at a higher level than you and they refer someone that's not at their level, that's at your level, you will still get half, at least 50% of the total commissions instantly paid to you, though. That's the main idea. Once you see you're instantly paid for webmaster services, webmaster design, and just tons and tons of limited professional internet marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and mind and life skills. You're going to learn all of this with E1U Life. I want you to go ahead and come to a special website that I'm going to direct you to. If you just go to 2k.easymoneysite.biz, that's 2 and the letter K dot EASYMONEYSITE.biz, and you're going to come to a special page that's going to ask you to just enter your email information so that you can watch this training webinar that's going to show you how E1U Life operates as a major, major income generator for so many people. We are having hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people making tons of instant commissions. And I want you to come in and have a look and see how easily duplicatable this is for you. If you come to 2k.easymoneysite.biz, you'll see it's everything's going to be laid out. You're going to watch the webinar, then you're going to set up your account, you're going to pick your product level, and you're just going to use the same system that you came into. And you'll see how it all works. Believe me, it's easy, nothing complicated, and you'll be making some of those instant paid commissions all the way up to $2,000 per transaction, no matter how many transactions you get. And also, you're going to find a part of the system that I'm sending you through. There are also a few other income generators. It's just that E1U Life is the main one because it has as high as $2,000 instant commissions paid out to you. Okay, so once again, that address is 2k.ecmoneysite.biz. Hope to see you in my back office so I can welcome you and give you some specialized bonuses to help you get people to your E1U Life pages. All right. I thank you for watching this video. If you found anything you like along with this video and any other videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'm always coming out with videos showing you the best online business opportunities, and not only showing you, but showing you how to use them. That's important. I'm showing you how to use them and how to succeed with them. All right. My name is William Caleb Rogers. That's who you're going to be joining. I really want to give these secret, special, exclusive bonuses to you and you only. So make sure you come to 2k.ecmoneysite.biz. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.